I apologize. My camera froze. I don't know when it froze, but we were looking at these two equations, and I was saying that if these two were opposites, if one was a negative 3L, these would cancel. So can we make it a negative 3L? Well, I could by multiplying by negative 1. But I can't just do that magically. Then I've changed it. I have to multiply the whole equation, everything. Remember how when we divide the everything, same thing with multiply. I'm going to divide everything in the second, multiply everything in the second equation by negative 1. That changes the sign. That makes a negative 3L minus 4W equals negative 36. So I changed the whole equation but kept its value by multiplying it all by negative 1. Now let's add them together. Now the L's cancel. Yes, the variable is going to be eliminated. 7W minus 4W is 3W. 45 minus 36 is 9. So divide by 3, and W equals, well, hold on. I got a little ahead of myself. We could have multiplied both sides of either equation by any number, but we chose negative 1 because we wanted to make this a negative so they would be opposites and they would cancel. So when I solve this, I get W equals 3. Now I have to substitute it. I'm going to recommend you always substitute into one of the original equations in case you made a mistake when you multiplied. So let's go back to the original. Oh, let's pick the first one. It doesn't matter which one you pick. 3L plus 7W equals 45, but we just found out that W is 3, so let's put 3. 3L plus 21 is 45. Let's subtract our 21. 3L is 24. When you divide by 3, you get that L is 8. So, what is our solution? Chicken wings are 3 ounces each, and chicken legs are 8 ounces each. That is our, that's the solution. All right, one more. If I added these, would something cancel? No, because I don't have opposites. Could I multiply one of them? It does not matter which one, guys. But let's multiply one of them by a negative 1. I'm going to choose the second one. That changes this to negative, it changes the y to positive, and it changes this to negative. You have to multiply everything by negative 1, which essentially just changes the signs. Then, when we add it together, the x's cancel, and all I have to do is divide by 6, and I've got y. I'm not finished till I get x. So I'm going to go back to the first one. Plus y, but y is negative 3. So instead of plus negative 3, which is a little awkward, can I just put minus 3? Well, yes, Miss Jones, you can. All right, let's add 3. 2x equals negative 2. Now, let's divide by 2, and x equals negative 1. Here's my solution, negative 1, negative 3. Now, why didn't I write this one as a point? Because it was a word problem. It was a situation. I'm not looking for a point on the graph. I'm looking for an answer to a question. Find the weight of each chicken leg and the weight of each chicken wing. This one were just two equations. I wanted the point.